I have no idea what is going on, but I was suddenly hearing outrageous explosions, and yes, there are fireworks being shot off right. Shit, that's right above me. Whoa, man. Why are we shooting fireworks tonight? I don't know. I honestly don't know. This is pretty amazing. No. I suspect you can hear how loud it is. What is it? What is our celebration? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa. It is Saturday after Thanksgiving, meaning it is the phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. I'm sure you can hear it loud enough too.